Welcome everyone to a new video, and in these videos I will set up Wadex Browser MobileHop Proxy. It's very fastest proxy, very good Wadex edited browser. You can easily set up the IP of MobileHop and the MobileHop based proxy for your 5G network. You can see the multi-hop, single hop pack. You can easily buy proxy. I have a video on my channel. You can buy proxy from here. You can get discount if you use my description link printed MobileHop link. You can also take it to daily or hourly, monthly, 2 rates, $60 monthly to $225 single hop pack. After the buying the proxy, you can take the proxy from here. You can see many proxy here. After check connected options to connect any proxy you want to use. You can use any proxy you want to use. Any proxy HTTP SOX 5 mode. I will put link in my description. HTTP SOX 5 copy. I will provide many components proxy from inside. Click on my link on my descriptions. Please knock and sells any proxies available my Telegram account. Okay, HTTP SOX 5 proxy copy and Wadex browser. Download the Wadex browser. Okay, you can set up very easy. PC everything there is. Click next step, get started. You can edit any themes, no problem. Okay, email and password here first email. I will enter the email. Okay, email and tick mark. Promo code optional. Passwords. Okay, next. Code please. Okay, code copy and paste the code and login, sign in. Sign in complete. Wadex browser. Skip. Got it, no problem. Okay, I will first MobileHop Proxy, added new profile. Click here and you can see BD proxy directed. Edit my proxy options. Okay, proxy, then HTTP SOX 5 SSH any mode. You can see and set a proxy. HTTP mode selected. MobileHop browsers, MobileHop proxy, copy IP, port, login, password, all everything, and paste. Okay, my proxy is okay right now. USA proxy, set a proxy location is changed. My proxy is added. MobileHop proxy and open. Done. Okay, locations time zone change. Wadex and proxy is okay. Very good proxy server MobileHop. Thank you so much for watching video. Thank you.